In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check or find saved contacts in Gmail. If you've ever needed to retrieve some contact information stored in your Google account, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail, which you probably already use for emails. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your Google account image or icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you're going to select Google Account. After you've clicked on Google Account, you'll be directed to your account settings page. It's from here that you control various aspects of your Google account. Look for a section titled People and Sharing. That's what we're interested in for today. Once you locate it, go ahead and click. Inside the People and Sharing section, you'll find a further subsection labeled Contacts. Clicking this will take you to Google Contacts. This might be familiar if you've ever saved a contact on your phone linked to your Google account. In Google Contacts, you'll see a list of all the contacts saved across your account. For ease of use, Google Contacts organizes everything neatly. You'll see options to sort your contacts based on different criteria. You might prefer to view them alphabetically, or perhaps by who you've contacted most recently. Feel free to explore the options to find what works best for you. If you want more detailed information about any specific contact, all you need to do is click on the contact's name. This action will expand their details, showing you all the information available, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and any notes you or Google might have added. Now, a simple but effective tip. If there's a contact that you frequently use, consider adding them to your favorites for quick access. This is particularly useful for frequently contacted people you don't want to lose track of in a long list. To do this, simply click on the star icon next to their name. And that's it. A straightforward way to find and manage your contacts in Gmail and Google Contacts. Remember, keeping your contacts organized can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. I hope these instructions have been helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.